It's time for some updates about what's going on in the greenhouse. It's been a week since I've been in here. It is currently 84 degrees, 72% humid in here. The highest it's been is 106 since resetting the gauge about a week or two ago. Everybody is looking really good in here. No casualties from what I'm seeing. Oh, we have a new leaf from the variegated burl marks that I got from the plant swap last week. That's exciting. Definitely need some water in the moss pole, so we will do that before I head out. New leaf on the Syngonium albo. It's finally coming around, which is great. New leaf on the Monstera albo. Any fenestrations? No fennies just yet. Soon though, soon. Let's see. Ooh, new leaf on the Crystallinum. New leaf on the Michelle. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love when the new leaves come in. They look so pretty. Oh, we have a flower too. All right, I ended up mixing these two, doing a little, you know, nothing yet, unfortunately. All right. Oh, what's happening with this leaf? What is that, dirt? That's looking like dirt. Oh, yes, look at this. Oh, size. And we have a new leaf coming as well. That's beautiful. Ooh. Ooh. What's going on down here? You need water. You definitely need some water. Okay. Look how cute. It's finally bouncing back. I'm so sorry I did that to you that one time. Okay. Do you have water? You look like you're struggling. Maybe I shouldn't put you over there. Probably swap these two. Keep these bagos next to each other. Okay. Let me just give them some water before I forget. I was in here earlier dealing with a garden bed and then doing some seedlings. But now I need to, of course, give you some updates about what's going on in here. Make sure I give this guy a good drench. The fan's not on. It's odd. Okay. What else do we have? My bird's nest anthurium. I repotted it. It's doing good. It didn't go into any shock. It's exciting. What else? Painted Lady is doing pretty good too. You're going to give me a new leaf, I see. This limon is doing nothing for me, and I'm thinking that it needs a moss pole. Don't know. Ooh. Hold on, sir. It came back. So pretty. Who else? Look at this new leaf. It's getting bigger. Oh man, that's a beautiful leaf. That is a beautiful leaf. You're looking good. Finally, Philodendron Silver Sword looking like it's going to do something great, and it's going to be great. I'm hoping that it stays compact and it just keeps giving me really nice leaves. The irrigation system came on today, which is great. Oh, look at this guy. And it's attaching to the pole. Oh, it's attached. It is really attached. That's nice. Okay. The Mayoi. It's looking so good. Oh, I'm so ecstatic about this one. Look. So nice. I'm really worried about next summer. I don't know, because everything's doing so well. The temperature is kind of lower here than usual. It's about, I want to say like in the high 70s right now. So it's good in between. And the fact that it's 84 degrees in here and it's not hot, like blaring hot, they seem to be getting good amount of light and being in good temperatures, which I really, really like. Florida Beauty is pushing out a new leaf. Hopefully the rest that come out are going to be happy. That's, let's see. The Paraíso is going to give me a new leaf. Super excited about that. Yes. Oh, geez. Okay, let me tie him up. Oh my gosh, don't snap. Okay, put you right back. Overall, everybody seems to be happy. No casualties. This was really nice and organized this morning, but of course I came in here and was doing some damage, making sure I keep everything nice and clean in here. Yes. You see, it just does something great. I want to fertilize everybody, but I ran out of fertilizer. The fertilizer that I use in the greenhouse is FOOP. It's a little stinky, so it works perfectly in here because it'll give you amazing results. So if you haven't given that a try, I would definitely highly suggest that you go and try FOOP fertilizer. Ever since I've been using it in the greenhouse consistently, for the most part, they're pretty happy. Or it could be the temperature change, but still think that fertilizing your plants is extremely important. Ooh, this guy over here, the Adansonii. Yes, look at this coloring. Look at the coloring on that leaf. That is gorgeous. Sadly, this leaf needs to come off. I hate seeing cosmetic damage on leaves. I'd rather just take it off. Now it looks so much better. That's it. That's, oh, my mellow. Look at him. Huge. The leaf is getting so big. And look at this Hoya sunrise. Looks so pretty. Why do I feel like you need more water? You feel watered. All right. We're good. That was just a little update for you. I hope that you enjoyed. I gave you a little bit of serotonin for your day.